What's going on? HBCU Mix.com. Don't even play. Grand Hustle in the building. Free the kids, bitches.
Been up to LA, holla at us,
Man, I've been cooling, man. You know, I just been on the road, man. You know what I mean? Really just trying to get it in, and you know, I've been blessed, man, to go all over the world, man. With you know, due to the success of my first single, man, went from number 99 on the Billboard chart to number 4, the longest jumping BMI history, second longest. I ain't gonna take R. Kelly. R. Kelly, I can't do it to you, cause you were number 1. Young Lady, second, did history. Out the bricks, Tumbleville Project, street nigga to the Billboard. And you see how we whip up, man. We got to look good when we whip up. You know what I mean? A8 motherfucker, man. Goddamn ride like that goddamn airplane motherfucker, man. You already know, Young Lady, man. We getting money. Grand Hustle in the building. Free the king, bitch. Free the king, bitch. Free the king, bitch.
Hey, what's up? Time to go, man. We got the